In this video, we are sharing 35 ways to style half zipper sweatshirt. For first outfit, you can style grey sweatshirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try brown sweatshirt with tan pants and brown loafers. Next, you can try orange sweatshirt with brown sweatpants and cream sneakers. Next, you can try blue sweatshirt with white sweatpants and sky blue sneakers. Next, you can try green sweatshirt with black jeans and white and grey sneakers. Next, you can try navy blue sweatshirt with black jeans and black boots. Next, you can try blue shirt layered with tan sweatshirt with white pants and brown and white sneakers. Next, you can try white sweatshirt with cream pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try red sweatshirt with black jeans and black sneakers. Next, you can try olive green sweatshirt with white pants and brown loafers. Next, you can try white sweatshirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try tan sweatshirt with grey pants and brown shoes. Next, you can try off-white sweatshirt with light grey pants and black and white loafers. Next, you can try orange sweatshirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try white shirt layered with green sweatshirt with black jeans and tan loafers. Next, you can try tan sweatshirt layered with tan overcoat with navy blue pants and white sneakers. Next, we have monochromatic outfit where you can style black sweatshirt with black pants and black boots. Next, you can try light grey sweatshirt with dark grey cargo pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try navy blue sweatshirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try white sweatshirt with bronze colored pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try grey sweatshirt with grey pants and black sneakers. Next, you can try cream sweatshirt with blue jeans and cream Chelsea boots. Next, you can try blue printed sweatshirt with olive green pants and tan boots. Next, you can try bronze colored sweatshirt layered with bronze flannel with white pants and black Chelsea boots. Next, you can try green sweatshirt with black leather pants and black Chelsea boots. Next, you can try white sweatshirt with navy blue pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try brown and white sweatshirt with black pants and black and white sneakers. Next, you can try green sweatshirt with blue jeans and white and green sneakers. Next, you can try tan sweatshirt with black pants and black loafers. Next, you can try black sweatshirt with black cargo pants and black and white sneakers. Next, you can try grey sweatshirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try tan and white striped sweatshirt with white pants and cream sneakers. Next, you can try aqua green sweatshirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try white sweatshirt layered with black jacket with white pants and black sneakers. Next, you can try white shirt layered with navy blue sweatshirt with blue jeans and white sneakers.